I got this outdoor lantern that I'm going to install on the front porch of our tiny home. Let's go ahead and get this thing put up. All right, so I've got the light that we had here pulled off and I've got the new bracket put on. I'm going to go ahead and get this light installed on this bracket by wiring up the wires with wire nuts. You know, make sure your power's turned off before you go to uninstall it. And then it should be pretty straightforward to get this put on. All right, and there it is installed. And I am really digging it. I really like the way this looks on the tiny home here. It's got a really nice bezel and the glass is nice and thick. It fits on really well. Just takes those 2 screws to put it on once the bracket's on. Wiring was easy, bracket was easy, installing the light was easy. And then we put this Edison style LED bulb in it to give it that kind of antique kind of farmhouse look. Looks way better than the one we had before. I got to come back and paint around the base a little bit because this base is a different shape than what was there before, but we had to do it on our last one anyway, so I'm happy to do it because this thing looks really nice. All right, let's turn the light on so we can see what it looks like with the light on. All right, and there's a quick look of it with the light on. If I did this at night, you really wouldn't be able to see the light fixture, so I am doing this during the day with just the light on. But I think it looks great, and I'm happy the way it turned out. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.